Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to present PowerPoint Power Electronic DMK40132 Unit 8.2 DC Motor Driver. My name Muhammad Syahidul Islam bin Uthman and my friend name is Amir Faisal bin Hilmi. Okay. 8.2 DC Motor Driver. DC motor have 4 quadrants of operation: forward driving, forward braking, reverse braking, reverse braking. 8.2.1 Linear amplifier. Linear servo amplifier is usually constructed using a linear gain element such as an amplifier or a differential amplifier. Linear amplifier control the DC servo motor's voltage or current by varying the applied voltage to the motor. The difference between the supply voltage and the applied voltage is absorbed by the power state, usually across the power transistor. A significant amount of power is dissipated in the output power transistor, especially under high torque and low speed condition. Next, 8.2.2 PWM amplifier. Instead of vary the output voltage continuously as in the linear amplifier, PWM servo amplifier apply the chopping voltage to the motor. The PWM amplifier varies the applied voltage by varying the duty cycle. The power transistor operate either in the on-off mode. The PWM face two problems: high electrical time constant due the its output inductance, electromagnetic interference EMI due the voltage switching. Next, 8.2.3 Voltage control versus current control. Servo amplifier can be designed to operate in two modes. First mode, voltage control. DC motor is format transmitter forward follower circuit load control signal apply the base transistor. The drop in the base transmitter voltage control voltage or input operated across from the motor terminal. Increase input voltage and motor speed. The motor is controlled by the input voltage. Next, number two, current control. Have a transistor connected transmitter to group. The control signal is applied to the base of the transistor. Ignoring the basic transmitter voltage drop control voltage or input. V apple on the other side of the resistor. Current is supplied by the power source. The throat motor increase the input. Voltage increase the motor current. The increase the current the circuit developed by the motor.
8.2.4 Operation for H-bridge configuration. First, use only one power source and capable of moving the motor in 4 quadrants. Second, H-bridge is available for linear and PWM servo amplifier. However, the explanation will focus on PWM setting. First method always use transistor in switching mode, exchange in pair. Second, Q1 with Q4 and 22 with 23. The instantaneous voltage across the motor oscillate from plus Vs to V as shown in figure. The second method by switching the transistor on a pair of transistors produce voltage wave as shown. Next, to exchange To obtain the positive voltage across the motor, Q4 remains on while Q1 is operated in PWM mode as shown. As an alternative, Q1 can remain on current. Q4 is driven in PWM mode. To get a negative voltage across the motor, Q5 remain on current. Q3 is active in PWM mode. Alternatively, Q3 can remain on when Q9 is driven in PWM mode. During Q1 active, the current will take the strong path shown in the figure. If Q1 is off, because motor inductive effect, the current take an intermittent path through Q4 and D2. When Q1 active, the current will take the solid path shown in the figure. Ignore the voltage drop Q1 and Q4. The supplier voltage appear through the motor. If Q1 is off due to motor inductive effect, the current take an intermittent path through Q4 and D2. That's all. Thank you.